John's in the crawler, about to hook it.
Well,
And got a Ken here, Uncle Ken help
hook
us out.
tender, hook tender.
Hook tender, uh-oh.
Did it move?
I think you're good, but you probably want to move.
I think it may. Okay, we're good there.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, Ken is the man. Now that is impressive. Impressive.
I mean, when you're hot, you're hot.